When you're logged into Canvas, you will land on the dashboard. The dashboard displays all of your current enrollments as course cards. You can click on any of these cards and be taken directly to that course's home page. If you're missing a registered course, please contact your institution's enrollment department or Canvas support for assistance. The color of the card indicates how course content is displayed in the Canvas calendar. You can add a personal nickname or change the card color. At this time, only instructors have the ability to change the card image. But if you want to see the image in its true colors, you can click on the dashboard view settings and remove the color overlay. On the right-hand side, you have your sidebar. The to-do list displays the due dates of all published assignments for the next 7 days. Once the due date is passed, items remain in this section for 4 weeks. In Coming Up, this displays all assignments and events for the next 7 days. And your recent feedback shows grading feedback from your instructors during the last 4 weeks. It shows course, grade, and comments if applicable. You can click on any of these links to gain quick access to the assignment.